Welcome back. Vascular skin conditions like rosacea and port wine stains can be embarrassing to millions of Americans. But now there's a new treatment with something called the king of lasers that can reduce them or even make them go away. Here is Boca Raton plastic surgeon Dr. Jacob Steiger with more. Dr. Steiger in the house. It is good to see you, my friend. How are you?
Great. Nice to meet you.
It's great to meet a fellow Cane, right?
That's right.
All about the U.
That's all. That looking good this year for sure.
Absolutely. And clearly your great education at UM paid off because now you're pioneering this really cool stuff. There's great technology going. So
absolutely.
You owe it to Donna Shalala and the U, although she probably wasn't there when you were there.
No, right when I left.
Okay. The XLV laser. What's it all about?
So the XLV laser is what we call a vascular laser. I think the first thing to do is take a step back and just realize what a laser is, because people like to hear the term laser and they think it's a catch-all for great technology, but lasers do anything from reading, well, I guess compact discs are not that popular anymore, but
no.
For those of you that know what a compact disc is, those things you insert in your computer, they read discs, but lasers can also cut steel. They're used in industrial processes, and they're used in for cosmetic reasons, such as laser hair removal. You can do it for removal of red spots, brown spots, or removal of wrinkles. So it really depends on what kind of laser you're using. What they came out with, this XLV laser, what's so great about it is they figured out a laser, it's called a KTP laser, that targets red very well. And red is blood vessels and veins, red and purple pretty much, anywhere there's blood. So what the laser does, it's a smart bomb essentially, so it targets anything that's red and it goes to a certain depth. What that means is if you have red spots on your face, which is one of the most common skin conditions of the face, is called rosacea. People who have those rosy red cheeks, and rosacea has been a very difficult condition to treat. Medications don't work that well, and the laser is an excellent modality to treat it. In the past, the best lasers to treat this kind of condition, what they did was they caused bruising, black and blue marks. So they figured out a way to deliver enough energy within a laser without causing black and blue marks and giving even better results.
Okay, so then let me jump into that. How many treatments does it take? Does it hurt?
Great question. So it could take a few treatments to treat it, anywhere between 3 to 5. The nice thing, another benefit of this laser versus previous lasers or other lasers that do it, is you need less treatments because it's a better smart bomb, if you will. It's targeting that red, it's targeting that purple, the veins and the red cells, and it's collapsing those veins and arteries that's causing the redness, those little microscopic veins and arteries that sometimes you can't see with our eyes. It's microscopic. And so it could take a few treatments. You usually see improvement with each time you use it, but it could take 3 to 5 treatments to see results where most people are very happy with. I've had patients who do 1 treatment and they're ecstatic with it. I've had patients do 6 treatments, but you do see a remarkable difference with each treatment with the laser.
And how's the pain?
It's not that bad. Anybody who's had laser hair removal will know it feels like a rubber band hitting you pretty hard. Nobody ever said it was not tolerable. I've done it to myself, and it's quite easy to go through.
Okay, so rosacea, what else is it?
So anything that involves, it's called a vascular laser. So anything that involves red or purple, anything that's blood vessel related. So you have rosacea, small little vessels, really common. People have little blood vessels around their nose. They're called telangiectasia, and that can be treated with a laser very well on very few treatments. Other things that the laser treats is leg veins. And that's very popular. It's great for leg veins. Bruising, it's a great tool. I'm a facial plastic surgeon, so I specialize in anything face. Surgery, non-invasive, like fillers and Botox, and sometimes people can bruise. The laser will treat bruising. I had a patient literally was really more bruised than I've seen most people ever be bruised, and did the laser on her. Within 2 days, all the bruising was gone.
Wow, that's great.
It's pretty impressive. Yeah. So it's a nice tool for that. Other things that it can treat, you've heard of port wine stains.
Yes.
You know, Mikhail Gorbachev had the port wine stain on his scalp. So those things, especially children who have that, it can help. It is a great modality to treat that.
Fantastic. And how new is this laser, and also how prevalent is it around the country?
Okay, so it's been around for about 2 years now, the laser, 1 to 2 years. It's becoming more and more popular. The problem with the laser is very expensive. So for your run-of-the-mill dermatologist or plastic surgeon, they probably wouldn't buy it because of the cost. So hopefully the cost will come down, but the treatments are no more expensive than the other lasers. So it's prevalent, it's common. People, more and more people are buying it. I think there's about 5 or so in Florida at this point.
Well, this was really great. This sounds really neat.
Awesome.
And if people wanted to get more information, is there a website they can go to check you out?
Yeah, no problem. My website's www.drsteiger.com, and we have tons of information about the laser and all kinds of other fun stuff.
Good to see you.
All right.
Thanks,
great.
bud.
Yeah, nice meeting you.
All right.
Go Canes.
Go Canes.